elegance and grandeur, legacy and tradition, the finest dining at sea, a unique camaraderie, world-class entertainment, White Star service, distinctive British signatures, legendary voyages, the pioneers of ocean travel. Cunard Line, an enduring reputation for excellence. Our majestic flagship, Queen Mary II, named by Her Majesty the Queen, is the grandest ocean liner at sea. Named by Her Royal Highness the Duchess of Cornwall, the gracious Queen Victoria. And our regal new Cunarder, Queen Elizabeth, named by Her Majesty the Queen, the third Cunard ship to bear this illustrious name. Consistently honoured by an array of Reader's Choice Awards and travel industry publications, Cunard continues a tradition of excellence that is considered a pinnacle cruise vacation experience. Experience the new golden age of ocean travel and a grand celebration at sea aboard Cunard Line. More than 170 years ago, our founder Samuel Cunard was awarded the first license to deliver mail across the Atlantic, bestowing the distinction RMS for Royal Mail Ship. Cunard soon became the preeminent name in British passenger shipping. In 1840, we were the very first to introduce a scheduled transatlantic passenger service to North America, and have been sailing the world cruise since 1922. Cunard became synonymous for luxury and sophistication, a favorite of royalty, Hollywood stars, and world leaders. Tradition and service are the hallmarks of our fleet. Celebrated in our renowned White Star service, the standard for excellence in refined service at sea. Discover the glamour of ocean travel's new golden age. Attend champagne soirees. And dance the night away to a big band orchestra in the largest ballrooms at sea. Timeless traditions such as afternoon tea served daily by white glove waiters in the Queen's Room and the Grills Lounge. A unique camaraderie is one of the qualities of a Cunard voyage. New friendships flourish among loyal and first-time Cunard guests who share a passion for travel, a taste for refinement, and the quest for a civilized adventure. Your daily program outlines a thrilling array of theatrical productions, live music from classical to jazz and rock. And as a part of our Cunard Insights program, intriguing lectures are presented by experts on a diverse range of topics. Your culinary experience comes alive under the direction of executive chef Jean-Marie Zimmerman, winner of a coveted Michelin star. Chef Zimmerman and his team create unique menus, ensuring you are guaranteed a mouth-watering gastronomic experience. Your stateroom is paired with a reserved table in a sublime restaurant. Guests choosing Britannique accommodations can relax in stylish comfort at the end of a day's exploration. Each evening, your dining experience unfolds amidst the grandeur of the Britannique or Britannique Club restaurants. For the most exquisite interpretation of Cunard luxury, there are the Queen's Grill and Princess Grill suites. Relax in your spacious grill suite, penthouse or duplex with the services of a concierge to assist you with your requests on board and ashore. Queen's Grill guests also receive the services of a personal butler throughout their voyage. Offering a more intimate dining experience are the award-winning Queen's Grill and Princess Grill restaurants, frequently rated the finest at sea and among the very best in the world. Exclusive courtyards, lounges and decks are all part of the Cunard Grill's experience. Beyond our Britannique or Grills restaurants, there is a wide choice of delicious alternative dining venues where regional specialities are yours to discover. Whether you choose a convenient round-trip voyage, a classic transatlantic crossing between New York and Southampton, a thrilling world or extended liner voyage, or perhaps a Mediterranean fly voyage, you can plan each day knowing that with your meals, room service and entertainment included in the fare, you will be assured of exceptional value in choosing to sail with Cunard. Legacy and tradition, elegance and grandeur, White Star service, distinctive British signatures, and legendary voyages. These are the pillars of Cunard, the most famous ocean liners in the world.